Hello, hello, Suboling, and welcome to 30 Days Spoken Ma Culture and Language Orientation. I'm your online Maasai tutor. My name is Teto Oletutuma. Today, I'm going to take you on a fascinating journey into the world of Maasai beliefs. Are you ready? All right, let's dive right in. Maasai beliefs trace their origins back to a sacred valley called Indigir Ikirio. According to their mythology, the Maasai people were bestowed with cattle by their main deity, Engai. These cattle became their primary source of livelihood. And here is the mind-blowing part. All the cows in the world actually belong to them. The Maasai believe this. Very interesting. As well, Enkai is not just any ordinary deity or god. You see, he has two personalities or alter egos known as Enkai Narok and the other called Enkai Nanyugi. Enkai Narok represents the benevolent side of Enkai, showering the Maasai people with blessings and protection. On the other hand, Enkai Nanyugi symbolizes the wrath and punishment of Enkai, ensuring that justice is served. Very interesting, right? Did you ever know about this? It doesn't stop here. The Maasai people personify heavenly bodies, stars, nature, and elements in their folklore and mythology. The sun and the moon are not just celestial bodies to them. They hold deep spiritual significance. So do the stars. Their position and sightings at specific times or seasons mean particular things which our people consider very seriously. They also believe that these heavenly bodies influence their daily lives and guide them on their path. In Maasai beliefs, everything has a purpose and meaning. This is what I like most about our culture. The concept of ownership and belonging is beautifully explained through their folklore. They understand that life and death are interconnected, just like the above and the ground. It's a holistic view that reminds us of our place in the grand tapestry of existence. So there you have it, my friends. Maasai believes our cultural beliefs are rich with symbolism and wisdom passed down through generations. Their reverence for Enkai, personification of heavenly bodies, bring understanding of life's interconnectedness and an existential meaning that is truly awe-inspiring. Now, I want to hear from you. Yes, that's right. Have you ever come across any other cultures with similar beliefs? Share your thoughts and let's continue exploring the wonders of our world. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can unlock the secrets of our ancient wisdom. Feel free to share this video with someone who would find it very interesting and who may be ready to learn something. See you again